If you've been dealing with creaky, painful knees, you've probably heard the same advice 1,000 times. Just take some glucosamine and chondroitin and hope for the best. But what if I told you there's a tiny 40 milliliter dose of something else, something your body actually recognizes, that outperformed those massive pills in a major clinical trial? Let me introduce you to UC2. It's not just another supplement, it's a way to literally train your immune system to stop attacking your own joints. Back in 2016, researchers studied 191 adults with knee osteoarthritis. One group took the usual glucosamine and chondroitin combo. The other took just 40 milliliters of UC2, which is undenatured type 2 collagen. The results? By day 180, the UC2 group had way better outcomes. Their pain dropped significantly, stiffness eased up, and everyday movements like walking and climbing stairs became easier. Now you might be thinking, it's just collagen, I've tried that. But this isn't the collagen you mix in your coffee. This is undenatured collagen, which works through something called oral tolerance. Think of it like a peace treaty for your gut. That tiny dose tells your immune system to stop attacking your joint cartilage, reducing inflammation naturally. It's like nanomedicine in a daily supplement. And as we head into 2026, the evidence keeps getting stronger. Many people find this low-dose approach more effective and gentler on the stomach than traditional joint pills, with no major side effects reported. If you're tired of the cycle of joint pain, feeling good one day and stuck the next, this could be the biological shift you've been waiting for. Science is finally moving beyond just masking pain to actually fixing the immune response. So, have you tried UC2, or are you still loyal to glucosamine? Let's talk about it in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more science-backed breakthroughs.